Some breeders prefer white bloodlines. Others trust gray families more. But one debate continues to appear in poultry discussions worldwide. Which bloodline is smarter, white or gray? Some breeders describe white birds as calm, tactical, highly aware, while gray bloodlines are often respected for timing, movement control, adaptability. So in this video, we'll compare intelligence, awareness, movement style, adaptability, breeding reputation, to better understand the differences between white and gray gamefowl bloodlines. What does smart mean in breeding? When breeders describe a bird as intelligent, they usually mean awareness, adaptability, timing, controlled movement control, calm decision-making behavior. Important reminder: no color automatically guarantees intelligence, because selection still matters more than color alone. Understanding white gamefowl bloodlines. White gamefowl families became popular because of unique appearance, clean plumage, calm but alert behavior. Some well-known white families include white hackle, white kelso, white hatch, Thompson white. Why many breeders call them thinking birds. Some white bloodlines are respected for patience, positioning, awareness, calculated movement. White bloodlines are often described as tactical, composed, less reckless.
Understanding gray gamefowl bloodlines. Gray families are among the most respected bloodlines worldwide, especially LDT gray, Melsom's gray, other selected gray families. Why gray bloodlines are respected? Gray birds are often associated with timing, responsiveness, adaptability, movement control. Many breeders describe grays as highly aware, smooth movers, balanced under pressure. White versus gray, movement style. White bloodlines, often described as strategic, patient, observant. Some breeders believe white families prefer calculated reactions. Gray bloodlines, often described as fluid, responsive, adaptive. Many gray birds are respected for quick adjustment ability. Which is smarter? This is where opinions become divided. Some breeders believe white bloodlines show more patience. Others believe gray bloodlines adapt faster. Important reality: there is no universal answer, because breeder selection, management, environment all influence intelligence and behavior.
The role of genetics. Intelligence is influenced by inherited behavior, breeding direction, long-term selection. This is why two birds with the same color may behave completely differently. Common beginner mistake. Some beginners think color alone determines quality, but experienced breeders know structure matters, consistency matters, selection matters. Color does not guarantee awareness, adaptability, intelligence. Why white bloodlines became popular? White birds often attract attention because of clean appearance, rare visual identity, calm behavior. Some breeders also associate them with controlled movement and awareness. Why gray bloodlines became legendary? Gray families earned reputation through consistency, movement quality, adaptability, especially in modern breeding programs. Many breeders value grays for smooth timing, quick response, balanced behavior. The danger of overgeneralization.
Not every white bird behaves the same. Not every gray bird behaves the same. Important fact: the breeder's selection process, discipline, patience still shapes long-term quality more than color alone.
What smart breeders actually observe. Experienced breeders usually focus on movement quality, awareness, adaptability, consistency, instead of color hype alone. Final comparison. White bloodlines, often associated with patience, composure, tactical behavior. Gray bloodlines, often associated with adaptability, timing, movement control. Conclusion. So, which bloodline is smarter, white or gray? The answer depends heavily on selection, management, breeder discipline, genetic consistency. Both white and gray bloodlines gained respect for intelligence in different ways. And in the end, smart breeding decisions still matter more than color alone. If you enjoy educational and documentary-style poultry content, subscribe to Chicken Matter Talks for more bloodline discussions and breeding insights.